to get off on foot and race down to the trophy here. It's going to be a whole lot of fun, but let's have a quick gauge right now. Who out there wants to see the Cowboys win? Yeah, crickets, that's all I heard, crickets. Who wants to see the Broncos take it home? Absolutely you do. All right, well, guys and girls, our riders are lined up. Motorcycle Chariot ready for their race. We've got our Cowboy, he's ready to go. Broncos ready. Queensland, are we ready? Let's do it. Let's go racing. Check it out, the Broncos get the lead in the first one. But guys and girls, is going to make all the difference as they come past. Yell, scream and shout. If we can please, any kids along the front there, pull those hands and arms on your side of the barrier. These guys are absolute professionals. We want to keep you all safe. Now let's. Dave is on the finish line. Who's it gonna be, Brizzy? And they're off on foot. Check it out. Oh, have we got a video ref? I think that was a little bit of foul play right there.